Today I put a poison on my white t-shirt. So I need some scissors. I need this kind of paper. I need plastic paper. And that's also let's start. First, I'm gonna cut one so I doesn't even put this on my shirt. Now I'm gonna put my paper on the plastic. Now I'm gonna cut the extra plastic. Now we're gonna ask your parents for help. I'm gonna ask my mother. Mama! After you put your showing where you want it to be, I'm gonna put it here. Then you put this on top to protect it. Then you use the end with the middle, and I have my mom to help me. Mama said, "Can you do it for me, please?"
Okay.
I'm gonna hold it. I think that's good. Let's do that. I have my son, so we're gonna get some paper. And how we did, and that is getting cooler. Yes, we can because we left too much paper on. And now we're done to it. Here's my